Across 4 decades of academic distinction, Greenwich University's alumni, now a formidable force of 5,000 graduates, have risen to prominence as leaders, innovators, scholars, professionals, and public servants, advancing human enterprise worldwide. Upholding a proud tradition of honoring alumni distinction, the university confers the Alumni Excellence Award at each convocation. Following a rigorous and discerning global nomination process, Greenwich University is honored to bestow the Alumni Excellence Award 2026 upon Mr. Zahid Iqbal, the Chief Operating Officer at English Biscuit Manufacturers. We will now present a short documentary highlighting his journey to excellence.
तुंदिए बाद मुखालिफ से न घबरा ए उक़ाब, ये तो चलती है तुझे ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए।
जिंदगी में मुश्किल भी माननी चाहिए क्योंकि मुश्किल give you impetus and pushes you to do better.
These are the words of the man who believes in constantly learning, unlearning and relearning. We all see the destination. What we don't often see are the bumps on the journey. During university, expectations from his family were high, especially the mother. Beta, pass ho jaoge na? He worked hard and graduated from Greenwich. After graduation, he got a job at an MNC, where he left a permanent position for a contractual position in a different department, which seemed senseless to some, but made complete sense to him to follow his dream.
अरे परमानेंट पोजीशन कौन छोड़ता है? क्या खुद कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल पोजीशन पर जा रहे हो?
He kept working hard and moved to a bank, which he left to pursue joining EBM, and prioritized making impact and not just money. Yet, at EBM, his HR report was far from glowing. He failed loudly, he fell hard, but he got up every single time and never gave up on his aim to do better and know better and be relentless. Because life does not reward perfection, it rewards resilience. By working hard and learning from mistakes, he kept growing in the company and found a mentor who refuses to accept average. Under the mentorship of Dr. Zeelaf Munir, Zahid Iqbal transformed setbacks into stepping stones and expanded EBM into a global force, building one of Pakistan's foremost baked good exporters and cultivating a workplace where people truly thrive. And then the world took note. Awards followed, recognition flowed, but the work and learning never ceased.
Perfection is an illusion. You don't win or be successful by just starting your journey. It depends on how you move on, challenge the status quo and move forward day in, day out. The most important thing in life is Allah's blessing. Without Allah's blessing and guidance, no one can achieve what he or she wants to achieve. Allah Ta'ala bhi yehi kehta hai, mushkil ke saath do asaaniyan hai. So I always pray for some mushkil. And I always say 3 important things like gratitude, patience and purity is the key for fulfillment and success in life.
May I now request Mr. Zahid Iqbal to kindly come forward on stage. May I also request the Honorable Governor of Sindh along with the Greenwich University leadership to please come forward and present this Alumni Excellence Award 2026.
Convocation 2026 is declared closed.